You spend hours studying. You highlight every line. And the next day, poof, it's like your brain hit delete all. Here's the shocking truth. You don't have a bad memory. Your brain is doing exactly what it's designed to do. Forget. But what if I told you you could reprogram it to remember almost anything? Back in 1885, a German psychologist named Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered something fascinating and terrifying. Within just 24 hours, your brain forgets up to 70% of what you learned. He called it the forgetting curve, a steep drop showing how fast memories fade if you don't review them. Imagine your memory like a mountain that starts high and then slides down into a fog. Unless you climb it again, the view disappears. Your brain's basically like a hard drive with an automatic cleaner. If something isn't used, it's gone. But why does it do that? Because your brain doesn't care about information. It cares about importance. Your mind's a survival machine, not a storage drive. It's constantly asking, will this help me tomorrow? If the answer is no, it quietly erases it overnight. That's why random TikTok sounds stick in your head, but that math formula you studied for an hour? Gone. The algorithm of your brain rewards emotion, novelty, and repetition, not effort. Forgetting isn't failure. It's your brain saying, oh, you didn't use that. Must not be important. So how do we fix this? The answer is spaced repetition, your secret weapon against forgetting. Instead of cramming once, you visit the same idea at increasing intervals. 1 day later, 3 days later, 7 days later, 14 days later. Each time you do, the memory grows roots. It's like watering a plant. Do it too often, it drowns. Too little, it dies. But in rhythm, it thrives. Every review tells your brain, this matters. Keep it. And each reminder strengthens the neural path, like upgrading a dirt trail into a highway. Want to see how powerful this is? A medical student who studies with spaced repetition can remember 80 to 90% of material for months, while traditional cram sessions vanish within days. You can do this too, whether you're learning a language, a new skill, or trying to remember names. Use Anki flashcards or even sticky notes. The key is timing, not time spent. Now, let's supercharge it. Combine spaced repetition with dual coding. That's using visuals and words together. When you draw or visualize what you learn, you activate two memory systems at once, verbal and visual. That's like backing up your brain on 2 drives. Every doodle, diagram, or analogy makes a memory stronger and easier to find later. You're not just storing facts, you're creating mental landmarks. That's how top learners, polyglots, and memory champions remember massive amounts effortlessly. They don't study harder, they study in sync with their brain's biology. So the next time you catch yourself forgetting, don't get frustrated. Your brain's not broken. It's waiting for a better system. Forgetfulness isn't a flaw, it's a signal. It's your mind saying, show me what really matters. Train it, and it will listen. Repeat it, and it will remember. I'm the creator of Smart Doodle, where we turn psychology into memory superpowers. If this helped you, subscribe, doodle your ideas, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll hack the science of focus.